You need to know this indicator strategy before doing option trading. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search Donchain channels. In the settings, Donchain channels, make the length 96. Add one more indicator for more accuracy, that is Larry Williams Lux. Now both the indicators are applied. When the price touches the lower line of Donchain channels indicator and the price starts increasing, along with that the Larry Williams indicator crosses above the zero line and turns into green, buy the call. The price touches upper line of Donchain channels indicator and the price starts decreasing, along with that Larry Williams indicator crosses below the zero line and turns into red, sell the call. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.